In the hospitality sector, clean practices can either make or break businesses. Whether your business is an independent restaurant, cafe, or a chain, maintaining high standards of cleanliness is essential. It is important to have a clean and hygienic premises as it reduces all kinds of risks, including food contamination and the spread of illness and infections. Cleaning your restaurant or commercial kitchen can be challenging. However, at U.S. Janitorial Services, we offer the best commercial cleaning service, enabling you to create an ideal environment for your customers. Our services for restaurants, cafes, and eateries include deep cleaning, window cleaning, vent covers, floor cleaning and polishing, carpet cleaning, power washing, disinfection, and sanitation. Hiring us as your professional restaurant cleaning service means you can go home knowing that hygiene is well taken care of. Cleaning restaurants is what we do. Call 800-210-6069 or visit usjservices.com. Any day, anytime.